Hey, everybody. Welcome to my team. I'm so excited that you are here. And I really want you to know that I am here to help and support you every step of the way in your journey with SeneGence. One of the first things that I recommend that you do as a new distributor is to opt in to customer direct order and Kiss and Tell so that you will have a shopping link for your customers. Getting started is quick and easy. First thing that you want to do is log into your back office. Next step will be to go underneath Business, select Customers, Customer Direct Order Program, Opt in Now. This will take you to your distributor profile. What you want to make sure of is that your information in here is correct, that anything that has, the asterisk is filled out, your telephone numbers are filled out. The most important part of this is going to be making sure that you check this box here, saying that you agree to the terms and conditions and that you turn on, you verify, I want to participate in the CDO Preferred Customer Program, and that you fill out your information in the website. Once you fill out all of the information and you select Update My Profile, it will say your details were successfully updated. So step 1 is you go and you opt in, you fill out the information in your profile. Step 2 is going to be going to the SeneHome site, going underneath Kiss and Tell Referrals, which is the preferred shopping, and you will see that you have a link that you can copy for people to shop. And if you copy it and you paste it in a browser, it will take you to a site where people can shop. Did you see how fast and easy that was? Now, all you have to do is send this. You can post it, you can send it to your friends, and your customers now have a place that they can shop with you. Have a great day. Now, I do want to talk about this one quick thing. Just so you know, this is a basic shopping site. You will have an option later on to personalize your site and to make a custom shopping link. All right, so I will make a video if you would like to personalize your site, but just to get you started with the basics, here's a quick, easy way to get started with the basic website. Have a great day.